let's see which way we actually pan out for the day. Here comes the opening bell. 0.6% higher, 24,150 plus levels for the Nifty 50. Nifty Bank higher by about 0.4% as well. What is the mid and the small cap index up to? Let's check in on the breadth of the market as well and whether SMIDs are actually outperforming what the large caps are doing, the mid and the small cap index. Nifty IT, once again your top performer, much in trend with yesterday, 2.6% higher for that index. Chemicals, finance, FMCG and metals are your other gainers. Realty is actually a drag and so is oil and gas, and autos as well are not doing a whole lot, at least in the first few rates. Let's check in on what the stock-specific action then is looking like and where is it that you are seeing the gainers and the losers. Let's start off with L&T first. That's a reaction that the street would definitely be absorbing. It's a mixed bag for L&T. The revenues have risen about 7% on a year-on-year basis, while the EBITDA has declined 3%. L&T starts off with a big move, 3.25% higher for L&T as we speak right now. 39.50 on L&T is where the stock is. Phoenix Mills is the other one. The revenue and EBITDA have grown but have managed to miss the estimates regardless. So let's see how the street is actually reacting to those numbers. Phoenix Mills lower by 4% as we speak right now. Paradeep Phosphates as well came out with its numbers. Look out for what that stock does. Decent numbers coming in there, 3.25% higher for that stock. AGI Greenpack, strong operational performance, revenue higher by 14%, EBITDA uptick of nearly 22.5%. SH Kelkar as well, very strong Q1 for them. And then, of course, some order wins coming in for both RVNL as well as Railtel 2. And then Dalmia Bharat, wherein their subsidiary has emerged as a successful resolution applicant for Bhilai JP Cement. So that as well is the other one. Grasim is looking to raise its stake in Aditya Birla Renewables now to 73, almost touching actually 74%. So look out for what this stock as well does in trade. And then, of course, Birla Soft 2, the revenues were largely in line, wherein there was an EBIT decline of about 12.1% on a sequential basis. VST Industries, like Harsh as well was flagging off earlier, weak set of numbers. Revenue decline of nearly 14%, stock down 4.5% as we speak right now. Arcade Developers, Graphite India, these are some of the other stocks which are also in focus this morning. Strong numbers from NetWeb, let's check in on that. And then Pine Labs too, wherein they've upped the margin guidance. NetWeb starts off with a gain of 2%, and Pine Labs is the other one which will come up for you on your screens next. Other than that, of course, it's the entire OMCs and paint companies lot because of the volatility that one is seeing in crude prices. TrueAlt as well, decent margin expansion. Suzlon, the management has flagged off for 10 to 20% of deliveries were delayed because of the West Asia crisis in their conference call. That's the other one in focus. And so is Graphite India, wherein US has now imposed a 3.68% countervailing duty on the company's electrode exports. So that's the other one which we're focusing in on this morning.
Yeah, absolutely. In terms of broader markets, let's quickly pull those up as well. The small cap index trending in the green now. The mid cap index also 0.5% higher. So decent moves on both of those. In terms of sectors, I want to quickly check in on what IT is doing. Another 2.5%. I mean, the move on IT this week has been fantastic. Already double-digit returns, I believe, for the week. The 3 days already, or rather 2.5 odd days, 2 days and one open. Metals up around 0.8% thereabouts. FMCG up 0.75%. Auto index is up 2/3. Bank index is up 0.5%. So there's good amounts of support. It's only the realty index which seems to be lagging. Kunal.
It's a good start for the market, because we are back again about 24,000 mark. The premium is holding up to 85 points for the index. Bank Nifty showing slight bit of a comeback after yesterday's cool-off of sorts. And I think it's good to see new sectors participating, like, for example, the auto stocks making a very good comeback for themselves, many of the names over there. So I would sense that the markets could start to slowly and gradually open up. But we need to break past about those hurdles of 24,350 on the spot Nifty for the trend to be a lot more stronger and for the market breadth to make a very strong and a durable impact going forward. So we need to see another 150 points on the upside before we establish a big breakout on the indices. In terms of opening trade, I would look at CDSL, a stock which I think on the short-term charts has gone through a 10-12% correction in the last 1 or 2 weeks, the risk reward now starts to look very attractive for the stock at the current levels.
Well, today actually seems to be a good day looking at the large cap universe. I mean, it's not just IT, but other heavyweights like L&T and ICICI Bank, which is a due contributor to the move today. Even HDFC Bank has sprung up about 1%. So at least the start of the day is looking a lot more comfortable. And then, of course, there are a lot of mid-caps as well. Coforge is pushing forward after that big move yesterday. Chola Finance is holding up 3%. Look at some of the earnings reactions at TrueAlt, for instance. I think it's holding up over 6% as we speak, reacting to its strong numbers. But Somil, what are the trades that you're spotting?
Yeah, I think I had on the cash side, I had Paradeep Phosphate, which has broken out on the upside. Looks great to me. I think in the medium term outlook, I'll be expecting this stock to go up till at least 165, 170 levels on the cash side. But again, on the IT side, I would focus more on the IT side. As I mentioned, Infosys in the beginning, Infosys definitely looks good. It has, it has opened, positive today, looking great to me. On the upside, I'll be expecting a target of 1200 and above. Probably towards 200 daily exponential moving average, which is very close to 1300 levels. So positive on the IT side. Stay sector specific focused, and IT definitely looks good to me from here.
Okay, IT looking good, and IT definitely holding in good stead this morning as well. But Somil, Kunal, great to have you both on the show. We'll let you guys go on that note. We're set.